Hey, what's up, guys? So in this video, I'm going to prove one simple formula of symmetric group. This is called the conjugacy formula, which is used for the previous calculation. But let me just write down the results. So if you have a tau sigma which is in a symmetric group, and sometimes we are interested in calculating this kind of uh, object. Let me just write down. So this is the formula. So formula look like this. So sigma, let's say sigma is a1, a2 up to an, and we have tau inverse. And the results say that this is exactly very simple. Just write down as a tau of a1, tau of a2, tau of an. So simply speaking, so if you use sigma as a permutation of the cycle structure from A1 to AN, so A1 map to A2, A2 change to A3, and AN change to A1, if you conjugate by some other element tau inverse, then this is the same as you just apply tau and map into tau A1. So tau A1 map to tau A2, tau A2 map to tau A3, and tau A1 map to tau AN map to tau A1. So what this statement basically say that tau AI map to tau AI plus 1. So proof, this is very simple. So let's say this is row. Okay. So I want to compute row of tau AI. Because I want to prove this is correct, right? So this is the same as tau sigma, tau inverse, tau AI. And then this is tau sigma AI, which is tau AI plus 1. So this finishes proof. So row apply on tau AI indeed map to tau AI plus 1. So this is exactly this. And technically, you need to show that finally you are only permuting A1 to AN. And this is very simple. Because if there are some elements, right, suppose there are some element which is outside from tau A1 and tau AN, then you can show that this will not get permuting. Will not get permuting. Right. Right. This will not get permuting. Okay. So maybe we can do some examples. So we can take the previous calculation. For example, maybe this one. So if we are interested in like 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is tau, this is tau inverse, we get 1, 2, 3. And previous, I did this brute force, but now we can use this lemma. So we can see that we just map 1 to 3. So we just copy this. So this become like 1 map to 3, right? So this is 3, 2. Sorry, I did. Maybe I do it slowly. So, right, so 1 map to 3. So I should write 3 here. And 2 map to 1, I should write right here. And 3 map to 2. And then there's nothing from 4. So this is results 1, 3, 2, 4. So this is a very quick way to, very efficient way to calculate this object. And moreover, what this formula shows is show the following. So here's a theorem shows that if sigma and sigma prime has the same cycle structure, then they are conjugate. And this is actually if only if they are conjugate if they have the same cycle structure. Okay, the reason is very simple. Again, we use this example. So if I want to show that 1, 3, and 2, 4, and the 1, 2, and 3, 4 are conjugates in Sn, then I just need to find a tau such that this is sigma prime. I want to find a tau that tau sigma inverse is the same as sigma prime. This is the thing I want. But by formula, right? This formula just tell me that I just need to find a tau which permutes sigma. So I can just say that 1 map to 1 and 3 map to so I just need to make try to find a tau which permute this guy to this guy. And since they have the same cycle structure, right? So I can just try to do this. I can just find a tau such that let me just write down. So this guy is 1, 3, 2, 4, right? So it will map to tau 1, tau 3, tau 2, and tau 4. And I want this guy to be 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay, so I just need to find, let's say I can define this to be this, this to be this, and this to be this, and this to be this. Okay, if they have the same cycle structure, then you can do this. Okay, and so this is proof that if they have the same cycle structure, then you can find tau which make this to be true. And definitely, conversely, if they are conjugate, then they will have the same cycle structure because you're just keeping permuting this. Right? It's obvious, right? If you already have this cycle structure, then you apply tau, then you just get this cycle structure. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So maybe there's a remark, right? So actually, when I apply this, I should have applied twice, right? I should have write as this. Then this will be very clear. Because now I can get, if now this guy becomes tau 1, tau 3, and tau 2, tau 4. So any kind of 2-2 cycle structure, I can just relabel this 4 to be whatever A, B, C, D wants. So this proves that if they have the same cycle structure, then they can be connected by this tau. Okay, so this is called this is property of the symmetric group.